Welcome to Beautyistic, where we celebrate all things beauty with honesty, expertise, and a little sparkle along the way. If you've ever struggled with streaky self-tanner or messy applications, today's product might just catch your eye. We're exploring the Tan Towel Body Oz, a self-tanning solution designed for all skin types, promising easy application, quick drying, and a smooth, even glow. This is a single-use tanning wipe that aims to simplify the process of achieving a sun-kissed look. Each towel is pre-soaked with a tanning formula that claims to exfoliate lightly as it goes on, helping to deliver consistent color without those dreaded streaks or patchy areas. The product is also gluten-free, making it suitable for anyone concerned about allergens or sensitivities. Its design is straightforward. Just wipe over clean, dry skin and let the formula dry in seconds, giving you a natural-looking tan without the fuss of lotions or sprays. In practice, using the tan towel was refreshingly simple. The pre-soaked cloth glided over the skin easily and didn't leave an overly wet or sticky residue. I appreciated how quickly it dried, no waiting around for ages or worrying about smudging your sheets. The exfoliating effect is subtle but noticeable, helping the tan blend seamlessly across different areas of the body. I tested it on my arms, legs, and torso, and in each case, the color developed evenly over a few hours. One thing to note is that the edges of joints, like elbows and knees, can pick up slightly more color, so a little blending is helpful there. What I love about this product is its convenience. Toss it in your gym bag or keep it in your travel kit, and you can refresh your glow anytime without committing to a full bottle of tanning lotion. The color itself is natural, not too orange, not too dark, which works well for daily use or for building a deeper tan gradually. On the flip side, if you're someone who prefers a deep, instant bronze, this might feel a bit subtle on the first application. Also, because it's a single-use product, it can add up if you use it frequently. The tan towel feels high quality, the cloth is durable and doesn't tear while applying, and the formula is well balanced to avoid streaking. In terms of value, it sits in the mid-range for single-use tanning products. While it isn't the cheapest option out there, the convenience, ease of application, and consistent results make it a reasonable investment for anyone who prioritizes time-saving beauty hacks. Compared to traditional lotions or mousses, it's cleaner and less messy, though those products may offer a slightly longer-lasting tan. If you're on a budget but want something similar, there are other pre-soaked tanning wipes on the market that perform adequately, but I found Tan Towel's balance of drying speed, color, and gentle exfoliation to stand out. So, what's the final verdict? Tan Towel Body Oz delivers a simple, efficient, and surprisingly effective way to achieve a natural-looking tan without the typical hassle. It's perfect for beginners, busy schedules, or anyone who wants a quick refresh of their glow. If you're after an intense, deep tan in one go, you might need to layer it or explore other options, but for everyday bronze, it hits the mark. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried the tan towel, drop a comment below. Let us know how it worked for you. And remember, the link to grab your own can be found in the comments or description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.